Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Callie and I make skincare, health and wellness, and general lifestyle type videos. So if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe. But today is another installation in my series on skincare ingredients. And today we are going to be talking about benzoyl peroxide, which is another popular ingredient in acne skincare. First off, what is benzoyl peroxide? Benzoyl peroxide is an antibacterial peroxide that is commonly used in acne treating skincare. When benzoyl peroxide is applied topically, it decomposes and releases oxygen, which is lethal to the most common type of acne causing bacteria. And that type of bacteria lives deep inside of your pores, on your skin, on the oil in your pores, on the dirt, on the hair. It's everywhere up in your skin. And so benzoyl peroxide kills that type of bacteria. So what does benzoyl peroxide do for the skin? First, due to its irritant effect, benzoyl peroxide increases the turnover in your skin cells. Therefore, it like causes your skin to peel, and it promotes the clearing of acne and helps the acne that's currently on your skin get over itself, essentially. So second, benzoyl peroxide penetrates the skin and treats acne from the source while reducing the redness and inflammation of the acne. Additionally, benzoyl peroxide has been shown to reduce inflammatory acne as well as the skin's oil production. So it helps keep your skin less oily and treats acne caused by inflammation. Benzoyl peroxide also helps to unclog pores that are currently clogged on your skin, and it does that by clearing away the dead skin cells from your pores. And finally, as if you didn't think it did enough, there are certain cases where acne becomes resistant to antibiotics. That type of acne is very hard to treat because there's not a lot that you can do because it's resisting all the other like antibacterial treatments. But benzoyl peroxide is not one of those treatments that the acne will become resistant to, so you can continue to use it and it will be helpful towards your acne. And research has shown that your acne just won't become used to it and not respond well to the benzoyl peroxide. So it's a good one. So what can benzoyl peroxide help with? Basically, benzoyl peroxide is pretty much only found in skincare targeted to treat and prevent acne, which makes sense because it's super beneficial for preventing and treating acne. But so benzoyl peroxide is very effective in both treating and preventing acne. It does so by first clearing dead skin cells from your pores on your face, and thereby it reduces the possibility of them being clogged and helps break down the clogs that are currently in your pores. And second, benzoyl peroxide is helpful in preventing those pores from being blocked again, and it also targets the bacteria that causes acne in the first place, thereby it stops breakouts and helps prevent them from occurring. And lastly, benzoyl peroxide is very helpful for treating cystic acne because cystic acne is usually caused by bacteria. It helps kill that bacteria, so it's really good with cystic acne, but it's also super beneficial and works great with mild to moderate acne as well. So how to use benzoyl peroxide? Benzoyl peroxide works best when you use it consistently because it does not increase your body's ability to fight off the bacteria, but it just fights off the bacteria for your body. It's good to use it continuously if you have acne that's primarily caused by bacteria. And then depending on the severity of your acne and your skin sensitivity, you may choose to use a higher or lower concentration product with benzoyl peroxide in it. Although benzoyl peroxide products have a range from like 2.5% to 10% concentration, the lower concentrations are just as effective as the higher concentrations are, but it will irritate your skin less than the higher concentrations of benzoyl peroxide will. Benzoyl peroxide also works really well with products like retinol that open pores, but using benzoyl peroxide with things like salicylic acid and glycolic acid can be really irritating to your skin, and so those really aren't recommended to be used with benzoyl peroxide, which is why I don't really use benzoyl peroxide because salicylic acid is my #1. But for best results, it is recommended to use a product with benzoyl peroxide as directed on the product, which means daily for most face washes with benzoyl peroxide in them and as necessary for treatment with creams and gels. Washes with benzoyl peroxide are most effective for acne on your back, and gels and creams work best for your face. Again, I don't use a lot of benzoyl peroxide products because I love salicylic acid and it literally feels like my face is on fire when I use the two together, so I don't use them together. But I will do my research and find some really highly recommended benzoyl peroxide products that I can link in the description box below in case you want to try some of those out. So the side effects of benzoyl peroxide. As with anything concerning your skin, your health, your wellness, your body in general, you should always consult a specialist, dermatologist, doctor, anything like that before you implement something new into your skincare routine. But there are some general side effects that you should be aware of when you're thinking about using benzoyl peroxide. When it comes to benzoyl peroxide, it's best to ease into using it in your skincare routine. It can be really irritating to your skin, and so it's best to start slowly and then maybe every other day or something like that and see how your skin reacts. It's also best to start with a lower percentage just because it reduces the risk of redness and flakiness and dryness and stuff like that that can happen when you use a benzoyl peroxide product. And some minor irritation is normal, but if you have anything more than slight irritation, you should stop using the product and seek some consultation from a skincare specialist, because it is possible that you are allergic to benzoyl peroxide. And just for reference, like the same percentage of people that are allergic to penicillin are also allergic to benzoyl peroxides. That's like around 5%, which might not seem very common, but it's more common than you realize. So definitely make sure that you're talking to your dermatologist when you're looking into benzoyl peroxide. But generally speaking, if you don't have any sort of bad reaction to it, the side effects of using a benzoyl peroxide product are very manageable and typically just include dryness and redness on your skin. And so the best ways to mitigate those are by using any type of moisturizing products in your skincare routine in addition to the benzoyl peroxide, like using a moisturizer at night or a moisturizing serum. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like because it really supports my channel, and make sure to subscribe because I put out new videos every Monday and every Thursday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!